What is up my stage people, this is Shank. Welcome back to the channel. Eyewear haul, one gadu, two gadu. I got 4 of them. All of them are from John Jacobs, again video sponsored gadu, but these are the recent options. Few of the options which I already have, but again I bought them. And majority of the options, if not all of the options, are available on Amazon as well. In case if you want prescription options just like me, these are available on Lenskart or maybe on the John Jacobs website as well. But however, the frameless options are trending this particular year. Talking about the very first option, these are the blue tinted lens, the frameless options, which is trending right now. And the design is an inspiration from the Cartier design, the C. Generally for the Cartier, it would be on the front side, but here on the side, almost like a Tiffany as well as Cartier inspired design anamata. It is in the rose gold color. The rose gold is like fantastic, but at the very end, I dislike this particular options because they have this plastic kind of attachments here. One, it makes it look cheap, and two, when I was wearing, just it is like obstructing here. That's the reason like I dislike this particular attachments, the plastic attachments which they have. I am not sure that what's the designer thought when they're going for this particular option, but however, if you want to have a look how this look on me, and here it is, they look fantastic. I went with this rectangular kind of a lens. So if you want to wear indoors as well as the outdoors, go with the tinted options which are either in yellow color or a pink color. But if you want to wear it as a sunglasses, go with this option because it's almost like 50 to 60% and it looks like sunglasses. So basically, even though you can see when you are indoors, it looks like you're wearing sunglasses. But I love here the design of this, the C here on the left hand side, and again I told you, right, the attachments here, they protrude and they get stuck as well. But however, it gives a nice sophisticated vibe as well as a very rich aesthetic when it comes to this particular frames. And these I have I think so since last 1 or 2 months. These are from the Cartier ones. They come with this packaging because it's similar inspired design. That's the reason I got this particular option, because the ones I got from Cartier, these are the geometric shape when it comes to the lens, but however the C you can see here on the both sides, the quality is like different, and also the tint is different. Here I went with a bluish tint at the top and then a pinkish tint for the bottom half with only 25% because I want to wear this indoors. But just as a comparison, this is how it looks in terms of the overall tint and everything. These are the sunglasses and these are the indoor options which I wear the most, right? But however, the similarities, you do get almost similar kind of options, but these kind of tints not each and every optician can do. But if you want to go with the sunglasses or maybe with the pink tints, the John Jacobs Celestial collection, it is really great. And the second option which I got are the pink tinted lenses. Again, these are also from John Jacobs Celestial collection, but here the glass shape is different. This have that more squarish rectangular shape at the start, and then it have that nice oval shape somewhere in between the geometric as well as the rectangular shape. But I went with the pink tinted lenses. The tint here is like close to 50%, so it's noticeably there when it comes to the overall tint. It does have that small attachment kind of a design. And then here what I disliked in terms of these plastic attachments, even more pronounced, even more thicker. I'm not sure that why they wanted to, but this I already wore couple of times to office as well. Indoors still it looks flashy because of the tint being 50%, and also you do not have that additional frame outside that have that contrast with the pink color. I will show you because here these are the ones which I have, and I got a similar option again in a different frame color. But here there is a tint here, but it's being contrasted with the blue or the black color of the frames. That's the reason like you will not find it too awkward. But however, when you go with the pink frameless options, it's going to be more pronounced. That's something like you need to consider with these options. But however, in case if you want to wear indoors this kind of frameless options on a budget from Lenskart or a John Jacobs or wherever it is, these are the current options which are available, but quality is like really great. Now let's talk about the madness, because I'm the one who actually, if I love something in terms of the clothing item or maybe the accessories, I tend to buy the same item, not in the different colorway also, the same item sometimes, just to make sure that because I get more use out of that particular piece, I tend to go with the same option, be it with my linen pant in the black color, or maybe a cargo pant in a specific color, or maybe the white t-shirts, or maybe the white shirts. The same exact option, if it fits me well, if the quality is good, I tend to go with the same option. Again, a similar scenario for these options. These are again the John Jacobs frames, the exact one which you are seeing here. see here, this is the exact one. It's been almost an year to year and a half I'm using this. These are like pretty durable. Ma vaadu kodtadu chudu itnesi. This one is in the blue color, slightly blue shaded frame, but however I got one in the black color because black and pink, it have a nice contrast to it. That's the reason I wanted something in the black color. I went with these options. Again, this is a John Jacobs collection, and they do have this nice golden accents here for the branding, and with this nice ovalish kind of a shape with the rectangular top. When it comes to the lenses, the frame width is fantastic. It is a small size option which have that overall, not the lens width, the frame width of 137 mm, and also the stempel length also, it is fantastic. It is like super versatile. Again, same option, I got one more in the yellow colorway as well. I do have one in yellow color. Again, I just wanted to add it because why not? One, they go out of stock like pretty quick, and they restock it hardly twice a year. That's the reason. These are my super favorites in case if you want tints. The yellow and pink tints with a black frame with a subtle contrast you have. These are fantastic and super stylish options to wear, Amma. These are the 4 options I bought very recently in terms of the eyewear. All of them are like really stylish, and also even prescription lenses for me, including that, costed 2,500. In case if you buy it on Amazon without prescription lenses, if you don't want to, 1,300 to 1,400 for these options with this quality and durability. These are fantastic options. All the links of these options, the frameless options, the Celestial collection, and these options, and few of the budget eyewear which are equally stylish. Everything links will be there in the description. Next video.